Okay, guys. I'm standing back a little bit further tonight because it is chilly out here. It's only at 53 degrees, and this train is at about 25 miles per hour. So that'll give me a colder wind chill of about like 40. So I'm standing further back tonight. Also, if you haven't done it already, please like and subscribe. Like all my videos, subscribe to me. Hit that bell and turn the notifications all the way up to all so you can give me notifications. Alright, let's get another one in here tonight. Here comes his light, so here we go. Just a couple seconds. He's moving pretty slow tonight because he just took off from the station a little bit closer than usual. So that's why it's taking a little bit longer. But here he comes now. See that person that stopped? That's a good person for you. At least they know how to stop. Unlike the one video where they freaking went around the gate. There you have it, guys. That was a short train tonight. And again, please like all my videos and please subscribe. Bring that bell notifications up to all and have a good night.